If your home constantly feels cluttered no matter how much you clean, these Amazon finds might be exactly what you need. We've got smart storage solutions, space-saving organizers, and clever household gadgets designed to help you reclaim valuable space and make everyday life a whole lot easier. Some of these are surprisingly simple, but make a huge difference once you start using them. All the product links are down in the description below. Let's jump right in! Beginning with this stackable, durable metal shoe rack. A simple solution that helps keep entryways, closets, and bedrooms far more organized. Instead of leaving shoes scattered across the floor, this rack neatly stores multiple pairs while keeping them easy to see and access. The durable metal construction provides solid support, while the stackable design allows you to expand storage vertically as needed. It's especially useful for apartments and smaller homes where every bit of floor space counts, and this usually sells for around $20 to $50. Moving forward, this 4-tier slim bathroom storage cabinet helps take advantage of those narrow gaps that often go completely unused. The slim design fits comfortably beside toilets, sinks, or laundry machines while providing multiple shelves for toiletries, towels, cleaning supplies, and daily essentials. It creates valuable extra storage without making the room feel crowded or cramped. For smaller bathrooms where every inch matters, this can make a surprisingly noticeable difference in both organization and accessibility, and this usually sells for around $30 to $80. Now let's talk about these 2-pack under-sink organizers. These are perfect for turning cluttered cabinets into organized and easy-to-manage storage spaces. The pull-out drawer design makes it much easier to reach cleaning products, toiletries, soaps, and household supplies without moving everything around first. Multiple tiers help maximize vertical storage while keeping items separated, visible, and easy to access. Whether used in a bathroom, kitchen, or laundry room, they help make storage far more efficient, and these usually sell for around $20 to $40. Now this next find is a magnetic spice rack for refrigerator that instantly creates extra storage without taking up valuable cabinet or countertop space. Strong magnets securely attach to the side of most refrigerators, providing a convenient place for spices, seasonings, oils, paper towels, and other frequently used kitchen essentials. By utilizing unused vertical space, it helps free up crowded storage areas while keeping important items within easy reach. It's a simple but effective organizer for busy kitchens, and this usually sells for around $15 to $35. Coming in here, these 4-pack fridge organizers help transform a messy refrigerator into a cleaner, more organized, and easier to manage space. The clear bins allow you to separate drinks, produce, snacks, dairy products, condiments, and meal prep ingredients so everything has a designated place. Since you can easily see what's inside, it becomes much easier to locate items and keep track of groceries. They also help maximize shelf space while reducing clutter throughout the refrigerator, and these usually sell for around $15 to $30. Another smart pick is this waterproof shelf liner, designed to help protect cabinets, shelves, drawers, and refrigerators from everyday wear and tear. The waterproof material helps prevent damage from spills, moisture, stains, and scratches while making cleanup much easier. Instead of scrubbing shelves directly, most messes can simply be wiped off the liner. It also provides a cleaner surface for storing household items. For such a simple upgrade, it offers surprisingly practical protection, and this usually sells for around $10 to $25. Here's a clever one for anyone looking to upgrade their daily hair care routine. This Ionic Brush Set includes multiple brush styles designed for detangling, smoothing, styling, and everyday grooming. The Ionic technology helps reduce static and frizz while promoting a smoother and more polished appearance. Having different brush options available also makes it easier to handle various hair types and styling needs. It's a practical set that combines convenience with everyday functionality, and this usually sells for around $15 to $40. Bringing in some extra storage, this foldable storage cabinet with doors offers a convenient way to organize household items without taking up permanent space. Multiple compartments provide room for clothing, toys, office supplies, pantry items, and other everyday essentials. The enclosed doors help keep contents protected from dust while creating a cleaner overall appearance. When additional storage isn't needed, the cabinet can be folded down for easier storage. It's a versatile solution for flexible living spaces, and this usually sells for around $40 to $120. For the next upgrade, this document organizer helps keep paperwork neatly arranged and easy to access whenever needed. Multiple sections provide dedicated storage for bills, receipts, tax records, contracts, school documents, and office files. Instead of letting paperwork pile up across desks and countertops, everything stays sorted in one location. This can save time when searching for important documents while creating a more organized workspace overall. It's a simple tool that helps reduce everyday clutter, and this usually sells for around $15 to $50. Switching over to outdoor cooking, this automatic grill cleaning robot takes one of the most tedious grilling tasks and makes it far easier. Simply place it on the grill surface and let the rotating brushes scrub away grease, residue, and burnt-on buildup automatically. It helps reduce the amount of manual scrubbing normally required after cookouts while keeping grill grates cleaner for future use. Whether you're hosting backyard barbecues or grilling every weekend, this gadget can save both time and effort while simplifying cleanup. And this usually sells for around $80 to $150. And hey, if any of these caught your attention, every product link is waiting for you right down in the description below. Making dishwashing a little easier, this dish brush with soap dispenser combines two kitchen essentials into one convenient tool. Simply fill the handle with dish soap, then dispense the right amount as you scrub pots, pans, plates, and utensils. This eliminates the need to constantly grab a soap bottle while cleaning. The sturdy bristles help tackle grease, stains, and stuck-on food, making everyday cleanup faster and more efficient. It's a small kitchen upgrade that quickly proves its value, and this usually sells for around $8 to $20. For the next pick, this non-slip bathtub mat adds an extra layer of safety and comfort to any bathroom. The textured surface helps provide better grip while showering, reducing the risk of slips on wet surfaces. Strong suction cups help keep the mat securely in place during use, while the cushioned design feels more comfortable underfoot. It's especially useful for families, seniors, and anyone wanting a safer bathing experience. Plus, it helps create a cleaner and more finished bathroom setup, and this usually sells for around $10 to $25. Here's something surprisingly useful for kitchen cleanup. This pan scraper is designed to remove stuck-on food, grease, and residue from cookware without damaging the surface underneath. Unlike metal utensils that can leave scratches behind, the scraper safely works on many types of pans, skillets, and baking dishes. The compact design also makes it easy to store in kitchen drawers when not in use. It's a simple tool that can save both time and effort after cooking, and this usually sells for around $5 to $15. Pet owners will definitely appreciate this pet hair removal glove. Instead of fighting with loose fur all over furniture and clothing, this glove helps collect shedding hair while simultaneously grooming your pet. The flexible design follows natural body contours, making brushing feel more comfortable for many cats and dogs. It works well during regular grooming sessions while helping reduce the amount of fur left around the house. For households with pets, it's an easy way to simplify cleanup, and this usually sells for around $8 to $20. Adding some practicality to the lineup, this 2-in-1 toilet plunger and brush set keeps two essential bathroom tools neatly stored in one compact holder. Instead of leaving separate cleaning tools exposed, everything stays organized and ready whenever needed. The brush helps handle routine toilet cleaning, while the plunger is available for unexpected clogs. Its space-saving design works especially well in smaller bathrooms where storage is limited. It's a simple upgrade that improves both organization and convenience, and this usually sells for around $15 to $35. If cleaning feels like a never-ending chore, this 11-piece drill brush attachment set can seriously speed things up. These brush attachments connect to most standard drills, allowing powerful scrubbing action on tubs, showers, tile, grout, sinks, wheels, outdoor furniture, and more. The variety of brush shapes helps tackle different surfaces and hard-to-reach areas throughout the home. Instead of relying entirely on manual scrubbing, you can let the drill do much of the work, and this usually sells for around $15 to $35. For barbecue fans, this 5-in-1 grill spatula with knife combines several grilling tools into one versatile design. Along with functioning as a sturdy spatula, it also incorporates additional features that help with cutting, flipping, serving, and handling food during cookouts. This reduces the number of separate tools needed around the grill while keeping everything more convenient. The durable construction is designed to handle burgers, steaks, vegetables, and other grilling favorites with ease, and this usually sells for around $15 to $40. Bringing a little fun to the kitchen, this electric fondue pot set makes it easy to enjoy melted cheese, chocolate, sauces, and other fondue favorites at home. The electric heating system helps maintain consistent temperatures without requiring a separate burner, making the experience simpler and more convenient. It's great for family gatherings, date nights, parties, and holiday events where everyone can share food together. Besides being functional, it also creates a more interactive dining experience, and this usually sells for around $30 to $80. Making cooking cleaner and more efficient, this fat separator with bottom release helps remove excess grease from broths, gravies, soups, and roasting juices. Instead of trying to skim fat from the top manually, the separator allows liquid to be released from the bottom while leaving grease behind. This creates smoother sauces and cleaner recipes with less effort. The measuring markings also add extra convenience during meal preparation. It's a useful kitchen tool for anyone who cooks regularly, and this usually sells for around $15 to $35. And lastly, this rolling TV stand offers a flexible alternative to traditional wall mounts and bulky entertainment centers. The wheeled design allows you to move your television between rooms or reposition it whenever needed, making it especially useful for apartments, bedrooms, offices, and multi-purpose spaces. Many setups also include shelves for gaming consoles, speakers, streaming devices, and accessories, helping reduce clutter around the screen. It's a practical solution that combines mobility with organization, and this usually sells for around $40 to $80. And that's a wrap on today's Amazon finds. Whether you're looking to maximize storage, reduce clutter, simplify cleaning, or just make everyday life a little easier, these products offer some surprisingly smart solutions without breaking the bank. Let me know down in the comments which product was your favorite, and if you'd like to check out any of them, you'll find all the links waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.